Jai Hind everyone. Today I would like to speak about the importance of keywords using syllable in teaching and how it helps students understand in lesson. So most of the cases, students often find it difficult to read and understand hard and complex words in a particular subject. As a teachers, what we can do, we can choose those complex words, hard words, and break it into syllables. Then ask them to read and repeat after you. So definitely it will help them to read and understand and pronounce it clearly. Once they will read and understand those hard and complex words, easily they will understand the whole concept of the lesson. This method, particularly this method, the keyword with syllable, improves their memory power also. If you break a long and complex word into small parts, they will easily read, they will easily pronounce it there, and they will understand and they will remember that for a long time. As I am a chemistry teacher, suppose I am going to teach them a new topic, that is oxidation and reduction. So instead of reading oxidation and reduction, if I break these words into syllable like oxidation, oxidation. Same thing, reduction. Instead of writing this reduction at a time, if I break this word into syllable, reduction, then I can explain the topics. Like oxidation means addition of oxygen, reduction means addition of hydrogen. If I teach like this, definitely it will help them and students will correlate it easily. Students can read, they can clap, they can repeat and read it loudly, which can make the classroom more interactive. And this will help slow learner or new students to understand the lesson without feeling stressed and confused. At last I can say this method, keyword with syllable, is very easy, very simple but very powerful. It improves particularly students' memory power, their understanding, their reading, everything. By using this method, one teacher can improve their teaching skill, improve their learning, which can help students to understand the whole concept of the chapter, for a particular chapter. And we are implementing this method in our school. And already we have implemented this method in our school, in our lesson plan. Suppose I am going to start a new chapter. Before going to start the first lecture, I will make a list of 40 or 50 keywords with syllable and with a short definition. Then I will give it to the students. They will read first 5 or 10 keywords. When I will take the first class, when I will discuss the keywords, particular hard and complex words, they will understand and they will correlate easily. That's it. You can also implement this in your teaching plan, in your lesson plan. Definitely it will help students learning. Jai Hind.